Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Pamela Shawn. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much. If you're not a part of the Pamela Shawn family, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button so that you can become a part of the family and get all my uploads. Also hit the bell. If you are already a part of the Pamela Shawn family, thank you so much. You guys know I love and I appreciate you for rocking with me. So today is the next part of the pantry organization. I showed you all the haul and what the pantry looked like. Today, as you guys can see, it's the second video I have on the same shirt. So I just recorded back to back. I'm trying to make shorter videos. So today I'm going to be putting everything back in the kitchen. I'm also going to clean the kitchen because it is a hot mess. So let me show you guys what I've done so far in the pantry. I have put a couple of things in there. I do have to put the lining in, and then yeah, but I'm not going to show that part. It's simple, just line it. It's simple. So after I do that, then we'll start putting everything in the containers. My girls came down. I say my girls, but it's my daughter and my niece. They came down and helped me wash all the containers and dry them out and rinse them and dry them out, so they are all clean and ready to go. And we're just gonna start putting the food back in. So let me show you guys what we have done so far. I feel like I've worn this shirt 1,000 times in my video. I don't know, but I love it. It says Jesus. I love it. Okay, so let me show you guys. One moment. Okay, so far I've put the cookies in. Those are the little Oreo cookies. I have potatoes here. Now let me just say that I have not found the baskets that I'm going to use for these two top drawers yet. I will not be using the gold baskets. I want 4 slots. So either 4 or 3. Somehow I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get it in there. So I don't know if I'm gonna custom make some out of plywood and just use it that way, or if I'm gonna be able to find the baskets that I'm looking for to put in the inside. I did already put the liner inside of the basket. I have napkins because I don't want the residue from the potatoes to spill all on the paper. I made that mistake and had to clean it out. So I only have 1 onion. So this is this. And then in this drawer we have brown potatoes and some sweet potatoes. This will not be in a pack once I get the baskets. Everything will be out, but I just want to show you guys what it looks like so far. I caught myself trying to adjust the camera, but that didn't work. Oh girl, this potato is ugly, honey. I didn't throw this away. I'm gonna throw this one away. Wait, it's still good, right? Yeah. What you guys think? Okay, anyways, so that's that. And here we have their chips in this drawer, and in this drawer we have some cupcakes, some honey buns. My husband went to the store after I told him to do not buy a family pack. He went anyway and bought this big pack of crackers, and so now we have the maple oatmeal back here. So my husband's 50,000 crackers, and then the oatmeal right there. Honey buns, cupcakes. So this is what their snack drawers look like. They only entitled to 1 snack a day. I'm not having that. I'm gonna be a fit family around here, although I'm buying junk. I have to show you guys what I did to the gym also. I mean, to the garage also. I turned it into a gym, so I will be doing that tour later, but not on this video. I still have a few more touches to make. Okay, so let me just say that I have not created the labels yet because I'm going to create them myself using my Cricut. So I pretty much know what everything is, and I'm keeping like things together, or if I said that right. So these are pancakes, the regular pancakes. These are the protein pancakes. Grits, cream of wheat. So I'm going to keep these together so that I know what's what, and then I'm going to come back and put the labels on it myself, like I said, using my Cricut. So if you guys are wondering why I have not labeled them and all of that, is because I'm going to create my labels on my Cricut. Right? So the other thing is that they didn't have any risers that I wanted to purchase. The risers so that this can sit like this. So I think I'm going to make them or continue to search until I find the ones that I want. So once I do, then I'll come back and they'll actually be like this. The name of it will be at the top here. You guys can see it. Let me zoom in a little bit. So now you should be able to see it. So the labels will be at the top right here, and they'll be behind each other stacked just like this once I find the risers. So right now I'm just going to bring everything in here. I'm not going to organize it just yet because I want to see how it's going to fit, and then I'll start to organize it a little bit better. One of the other things that I did go back and pick up when I went back to the Container Store was these Lazy Susans. These are not the Lazy Susans that I wanted, but I think the ones that I do want has been discontinued. They set up a little higher, so when you're spinning, you didn't have to worry about anything tilting over. So they're just gonna have to be very careful and spin it slowly, so the ketchup and everything will go on top of there. So let me tell y'all, the last time when I did the try on haul, I mentioned all my kids, Jay, Jeremy, Asia, and Jeremiah, except one. I did not mention one kid, and he saw my video and he called and checked me. He was in San Antonio with his mother, and he realized I did not say his name, and he called and checked me. So I told him the next video I'm going to make sure I mention him. I'm going to make sure that I tell everybody how proud I am of him, because he made all A's and B's. I think since I've been in his life, which he was how old? About 7. I've seen maybe 2 C's. This kid makes straight A's and B's. He plays basketball. Hey, cut it off. He's a great kid, and there's no way I can continue this video without sending a special shout out to my baby, y'all, Kyron. Come on, Kai. What you want to say to the people? You gotta come back this way, cause see, you taller than me. What you want to say to the people, Kai?
I'm very thankful for the opportunity. And like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell.
See, look at my boy looking out for me, and I forgot to mention him in the video. Okay, Jeremiah, what do you want to say? You already said something, which draws on.
Bell and hit the notification bell.
Okay, so all of the appliances are in. I could not be more pleased. Sorry for the yellow light, you guys. I'm gonna get it out of here soon, probably tomorrow. The only thing that I need to do is find I don't know what the little things are called, but they kind of like come on the bread or whatever, or either some zip ties so that I can put the cords together and the cords are not hanging out like that. As you can see at the bottom there and there, it may not bother some people, but it's really like on my last nerve. But it still looks amazing. Y'all don't worry about this over here. I have to clean up tonight. But look at this. Look how amazing this looks. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. One band, one sound, honey. It is all on the same accord. I really, really, really like this. I have never been so satisfied with an organization video. Like I did my linen closet. It looks really, really good still to this day. It smells really, really good. I did put the candle in like some people had suggested. And there's a candle there. So I just want to show you all this. As I go in and make corrections, I am going to update you guys, like when I get the containers for this, and when I go in and add in whatever I'm going to put over here in this corner. When I paint, when I change the lighting, I will be updating you guys on everything, but so far this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video because I enjoyed recording it. And until next time.